What is it about the UFO phenomenon that makes it so difficult to pin down, despite reports of sightings from all over the world? Primarily, it's the nature of the evidence. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary proof. High in the mountains of Chile, Jorge Ibarra, a gold miner, says he had a close encounter with a UFO.
I saw one light, the big light. It stopped over my head, about 300 meters high. It has a blue light, completely blue light now. In this moment, the UFO cut the blue light and give it three types of light, yellow, green, and red. They came in direct for me. Said I received one special energy force on my body. But something curious. The UFO have no noise of the motor, only as a wind. Same when you have a stick, big stick, and make this way, zzz, 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 and the UFO moving again.
Like so many UFO accounts, Jorge Ibarra's story, lacking as it is in tangible evidence, rests solely on the reliability of one individual's testimony. In Belgium in 1989 and 90, it was a very different story. Here there was a UFO phenomenon that engaged the whole country to the highest level. Literally hundreds of separate sightings of a strange triangle of lights that moved slowly across the countryside were reported to the authorities. And this unidentified flying object was investigated by a number of experts.
At first sight, it is very strange. Because, for example, the technical characteristics of such flying objects are very different from what we know.
Professor Leon Brennig teaches at the Free University of Brussels and was one of those who looked closely at the phenomenon.
I saw a lot of first-hand witnesses, had direct access to at least 800 investigations which were carefully made. All these investigations indicate that there is really a phenomenon which is unusual. All the flying characteristics are highly strange. We have a lot of observations of such triangular platform which was hovering silently without any apparent action on the air above a farm during 20 minutes. Why above a farm? What does it mean?
One of the many witnesses at the time was Colonel André Armand, a civil engineering officer in the Belgian army. In December 1989, he was driving along this road at night when he saw three rectangular panels of light moving slowly across the sky.
I saw the yellow panels beyond the trees there, flying till the trees there, and the yellow panels change into a white light, and this white light was coming down to me. At this moment, my wife told to me, André, come, we must go now. Because when you see such big light coming to you, that's very strange to see that. And my wife said to me, André, we are going away now. This light disappears, and I saw only three yellow, white, smaller lights, triangular. The center, the red, light, pulsing, always pulsing. And this object was flying away very, very fast in this direction.
In the following months, there were many similar sightings of a strange triangle of lights not only in the countryside, but also hovering over the rooftops in the center of Brussels. Marcel Alfarano, a shopkeeper, managed to capture it on his camcorder.
Ça s'est passé à 2h15, 2h20 du matin, la nuit du 30 au 31.
It happened at about 2:20 in the morning on the night of the 31st of March. I took my camera and I went upstairs. It was at that moment that I saw in the distance two lights. They were bigger than car headlights and they were slowly coming towards me. They were moving very slowly, high above the rooftops there. And as they got closer, I could see there was a third light behind the other two. They stopped over there. I realized it was not a plane. It was something bizarre, something unrecognizable. Later, some people from the government phoned me and they say I should not get too carried away. They said I should say it was a plane I had filmed.
The Belgian Air Force decided that whatever the UFO was, it could not be ignored.
In 89, 90 we had a lot of observation from the ground, a lot of people seeing strange things in the air, and the Belgian Air Force already scrambled 2 times F-16 to observe what the people saw from the ground.
Wilfred de Brouwer, a colonel at the time, was officer in charge of operations.
Some people saw very strange objects in the air with a very peculiar behavior. They called the police. The police confirmed the observation. They called the radar station of Glon, and Glon confirmed that they saw a blip